Hey guys, Kev here back with another video for you guys. So today I'm here in my 99th year Audi A4 B5, and today I plan on doing a cluster modification. I'm gonna try to do an chrome ring kit on it. This is basically a quick kit which you install on the cluster rings. They go around these edges and make a nice bezel in chrome color. I'm gonna try do an DIY installation. If not, I'm gonna just show you pictures how I did it. So the first step is you have to remove this trim piece, which I already removed. It just clips into place and it's really easy to remove. Then you're going to need a T20 hexagon screwdriver. If it focuses, I can show you. Okay, maybe not, but you get an idea here. So then you have to lift this piece and just unscrew these two screws, which I'm gonna do now. So at the moment I have unscrewed those two T30 screws, as you can see here, and now the cluster should be relatively easy to remove. It just comes out like this, and behind it there should be about 2 plugs which you need to remove. It's going to be a really big pain in the ass to remove with one hand, so I'm just gonna remove it and show you how it looks. So as you can see, I have removed my cluster. It was relatively easy. You should just pop 2 connectors in the sides and one little one in the middle, and now you're left with the cluster. From the back it looks like this, and then there are a few clips around it. I think that's all you need to remove, and I'm just gonna try to remove it right here. If not, I'm gonna go to my apartment and remove it inside. So let's see how it goes. So as I imagined, it was really easy to remove. I just used credit cards in between the plastic pieces, and then I just unclipped them, and it just slides out like this. And now I have my chrome ring right here, and I'm just gonna put them inside and see how it goes. So the installation is pretty tricky. I have installed the first ring, it's the left one, and you just have to take the ring and put one side in, and then from the bigger opening I just took the Audi key in between a little tissue paper and then jammed it down, and it sits pretty flush. As you can see from the other side, it clips right into place, and the process is pretty same for all the rings. The bigger ones are probably much easier fix than the small ones, but for now it looks pretty great. I'm just gonna try install the other ones too. As you can see, I have installed all the chrome rings and the little square one. I must say that the install is pretty easy except the middle one, because the little square it doesn't snap into place. It has a little double-sided tape around the edges, and in this little space it's really hard to wiggle it around and get it perfect. But for now it's gonna work fine for me, and I'm just gonna put back my cluster. So let's see how it turns out. So at the moment I have fully installed the cluster ring kit. It looks gorgeous. It's quick and simple, as well as cheap fix for the cluster if you want to freshen it up, and I think it just fits in this interior just right. Now thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. I'm gonna do many more mods to this car, as well as a full review when it gets a little bit warmer. As you can see, it's pretty foggy and frozen up now, but I hope you liked the video and hope to see you next time. This was DIY by Kel. See you next time. Bye.